Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Beauty Beyond Lifestyle. I hope you all are doing good, and if you're new to my channel, it's me Tanushri. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do hit the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a video. So today's video is all about a product review, and the product is from the brand called Purplle. Yes, it is their Ultra Matte HD Liquid Mini Lipsticks. Okay, so these are the two lipsticks. Very cute. The packaging is, it's very tiny, and this is how you have to remove it, and this is how cute the lipstick looks like. Okay, so let me take the other shade as well from the packaging. Okay, so these are the two shades what I have purchased: a popping red, which I have applied now, and a magenta pink kind of a shade. It's really very good. Okay, now let me tell you the name and the code of this liquid lipstick. Okay, so this red shade is my first shopping prey, and the number is 24. Okay, so when I purchased this lipstick, it was, I think, the Purplle I Heart sale which was going on. So I got this for 119 rupees. Now these lipsticks are priced at 225 rupees at its MRP. Okay, so the MRP is 225 rupees, but I got it for 119 rupees. Okay, but now I think currently it is at 173 rupees. Okay, and the second shade name is My First Pep Talk. Okay, in the number 15. Okay, the number of this liquid lipstick is 15. So I got this for 105 rupees on sale. Okay, but the MRP is 225 rupees. I've got it for 105 rupees, and now at present I think it is at 153 rupees. But guys, 153 and 173 rupees lipstick, that too liquid matte lipsticks. I think it's a fair deal. You can purchase even if it's 225 rupees, doesn't matter. The quantity is 1.6 ml product quantity what you'll be getting in this, and a very little will go for a very long time. Okay, so without wasting time, let me quickly give you the swatch and the demo, how it looks, how you apply, how is the pigmentation, and right after that I shall tell you if these lipsticks are worth enough or not. Okay. Okay guys, so you will require a waterproof makeup remover to remove these lipsticks, or else it's very difficult to remove the lipstick even with a wet tissue or a cotton pad. So make sure you have a waterproof makeup remover to remove these lipsticks. Okay, so I think we are done with the swatches, and you have seen how beautiful it is looking. And as you can see, this is smudge proof. Okay, it is totally matte liquid lipstick. The color is very beautiful. It is transfer proof. Just see. Okay, there is nothing here. It is completely transfer proof. And it is long lasting, guys. It stays for a really very long time, and it doesn't give you any discomfort when you are applying this lipstick, or even though if it's 5 to 6 hours or 7 hours, it is very comfortable on your lips, and it is not going to feel too drying. But then yes, when you are applying this liquid lipstick, I would recommend you to apply a lip balm first and then apply this liquid lipsticks. Okay, because these liquid lipsticks turns out to dry within a second. You don't have to wait for for 2 or 3 minutes for it to dry. It's really very quick and drying. And the shelf life of these liquid lipsticks are 3 years, which is a great thing. You can finish it off, by taking your time. And now these are the mini liquid lipsticks, guys, but you get a bigger size also, the actual size, which comes for 4.8 ml of product quantity and is priced at 499 rupees each at MRP. Okay, I think on discounts you might get at 250 rupees or something. So if you want to give it a try first, you can give the mini one first, and if you like the shades, if you like the formula of these liquid lipsticks, then you can grab the actual size lipsticks. Okay, now Purple will have some other offers going on every week, mostly every week, and you can grab these lipsticks on discounted price itself. That's it, guys. I hope this video is going to be helpful to you. I shall give the links of the product in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. Till then, keep looking gorgeous, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.